I'm Catherine, and I have started making YouTube videos about my clothing journey. Let me tell you what sparked it. My closet is always a disaster. And, clothes on the floor coming out of the drawers, all that crazy stuff. I may get brave enough, I say this in all my videos, I may get brave enough to show you some before pictures. I don't know yet. But it's looking pretty good right now because what I did is I downsized, I purged it. I tend to wear something once or twice and then I want something new. And that's what was happening, and everything was getting cluttered. So my new idea is to rent clothes. I'm actually doing two different things. I am trying some rental services, and if you come along with me, I'll tell you about them and what I like and what I don't like. The other thing I'm doing is some curated boxes, which are style boxes, and those are services that I'm sure you're familiar with, like Stitch Fix, Wantable, and with those, they send the items, so a stylist will choose them for you. You take a style quiz, they figure out what you like and your sizes. Then they send you a box, and you have 5 days usually, but you have a prescribed amount of time to try them on. You don't wear those out. They have tags. You don't remove the tags unless you're going to purchase them. So those are just to try on at home. Where with the rental services, you wear them out. And life happens. I like red wine, and if I would ever spill red wine on an outfit, God forbid, but that is covered. So the things that aren't covered are things like theft or loss or total damage of the item. Otherwise, you're covered for average wear. They do clean them when you send them back. They go through a dry cleaning process. Then they're sent out to the next customer who wants to try them, the next renter. And I think this is really going to work well for me. It's going to keep my closet downsized and neat and clean. Now, what I have done with Armoire is I am trying out the unlimited service. So with the unlimited, it is, you can get your first month, if you'd like to try the unlimited one, you get your first month for $149 a month. Then if you decide you want to continue, it goes up to $249 a month. I still think it's a great value because with the unlimited one, you can swap out as often as you would like. So you have 6 slots. You can purchase more slots. You can also, a friend of mine's trying it out, thank you Robin, and since she's trying it out, use my name, I have a free slot that I'm going to save for my vacation coming up in June. Anyway, with your 6 slots that you get with the unlimited, you order your first one. Of course, you go down and choose what you want. You fill out a style quiz here also and put in all your sizes so that they show you what is available. And then you choose your 6, they come to you. Say you don't like something or it doesn't fit just quite right, you can swap it out. With the unlimited, you can swap items out as much as you want. So you get 6 items, say you love 4 of them, 2 of them don't fit, or you don't really care for them. You go into the app, and I'll show you the app in a second, you hit swap, and then you tell them which items you want to send back. You do have to rate them, give them a rating before you can swap them out, which is no big deal. You could just say it didn't fit, nice item, didn't fit me. Then you swap them out and you choose 2 more items. What happens is they'll ship those 2 items, but you hang on to the other ones. So maybe it's something that fit, but you weren't crazy about it. You could still wear it to run errands. Then once the replacement items come, you send them back in the bag that they send you. You send them back. You have 24 hours to send them back. So you always, with Armoire, they're not all like that, but with Armoire, you always have 6 items at home. And you can have 100 items in 1 month or more. I mean, you can just constantly be swapping out items. And I love that because I'm someone who likes to change clothes a lot and likes to change looks a lot. You'll see that if you follow along in my videos. So I'm really enjoying this one. Now, I said that they have an app. So you have an app on your phone, your iPad, or your PC. And it looks something, this is the app. So this right now is my closet, my things that I love. It will also, when you go into your case, it shows me what's with me. And then it shows me what I'm returning and so forth. Another thing that I really love is that they have the customers, other renters will post pictures. They'll post pictures of what they wore the item with. They'll talk about how it fit, how it wore throughout the day, what they accessorized it with, and I love that because, you know, we can look at these items on models, and let's face it, they never look on us, maybe some of you, but for most of us, they never look on us like they do on the models. So you get to see real people that match you, match your lifestyle, and they talk about how they wore it and how it worked out for them. So I do love that about this. Let's look at some of these. What I'm wearing right now is an Armoire rental. Love this. If it wasn't so unique, I would be purchasing this, but it is too unique, you know, to wear very often. I do have a bandeau top underneath because it would be too revealing for me, but that's just me. And I'm going to demonstrate all of these on a full body shot video. I wore this, my husband and I, we live in North Carolina, so we do the dance of the Carolinas, which is the shag, and also we line dance. So we went to an outdoor, gorgeous golf course outdoor dance on Saturday, and I wore this with a hat. I'll have to show you the hat. It was so much fun. But that's what I think clothing should be fun. Renting clothing makes it fun because you're not cluttering your closet. You're not really hurting your budget, depending on what your budget is. I did want to talk about that. I didn't tell you about the other plans. There are 3 plans with this. Let me see if I can find that again. I had it ready. There we go. So there are 3 different plans. There's the smallest plan is the 4-item plan. It's $89 a month. You get 4 items at a time, and you can swap them every 30 days. I was at a church meeting today, and we were talking about that, and one of the members said, well, you could have all of your own pants and then just swap out the tops, and that's true. You could. That would work. Then there's a 7-item plan, $99 for the first month, $119 every month after that, and you rent 7 items at a time. You get more items than me. You get 7 items at a time, but you can only swap it every 30 days. And I love being able to swap very often. The first plan was called the Wardrobe Pick Me Up. The second plan is the Wardrobe Enhancer. The plan I have is the Wardrobe Replacer, best value, and it really is. Unlimited plan, $149 for the first month, $249 for the month after, and every other month. Then rent 6 items at a time, unlimited swaps. Woohoo, unlimited swaps. That's where they got me. And you can cancel any of these. You can cancel or pause at any time. So you're not obligated if it doesn't work for you or something changes. I mean, come on, life changes, our budgets change. So let's open this. I already know what's in there because I chose them. You can, oh, that's what I wanted to tell you too. You can have a stylist choose things for you. You still would put them into your case. They'll put them in your closet. You can put them in your case. But you can have a stylist help you choose items. Tell them what you're looking for, what you want it to go with, and that's really helpful. Okay, let's open this up. Comes in this nice, thick mailer bag. Once you are ready to send your other items back, you're going to put them in here, and of course peel the tape off, seal it, and then you've got your return label comes with your new ones. Oh, so here is your, I'm just going to put it down there for you. So the return label then will go on the bag. Oh, shouldn't show my address. will go on the bag for it to be returned. Oh my goodness, look at this. And I love how they come nice and wrapped. The first one you get has like a little dress, and I thought they were all gonna come, like a little origami dress. I thought they were all gonna come that way because I was gonna save them for my granddaughter, but I will give her that first one at least. The pink one, this is Lily Pulitzer. Love me some Lily Pulitzer. I'm from the South, so we love Lily. And we do bright colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, okay. Another Lily. I don't get all Lily, so if you're not a Lily fan, you don't have to worry. I don't get them all. Nice yellow. Kind of tea, casual. Like it. Then I ordered these pants. I'm typically in jeans. I'm 29 to 30. I'm in between sizes. I have an hourglass figure. Get things to fit my hips. They sometimes don't fit my waist. But with jeans, especially Paige, they carry Paige jeans, which I love at Armoire. Normally I take a 30, a solid 30 in these, and these, they didn't have those, so I got a note that they were gonna send me 31s. I'm a little worried, but maybe they'll fit. Some white jeans. You gotta have some white jeans in the summer, especially with Lily Pulitzer. And they have a little bit of distressing. I don't mind a little bit. I don't want it like ripped off. Also, raw hem. Love that. So we'll see. And then these, I knew they were pale pink. It's a really pale pink. Pretty though. These are high-rise boot cut. They're denim. Oh, Nick and Zoe. Love Nick and Zoe. These are 30, so they might fit better. But anyway, like a really pale pink, but it's pretty. A little bit of seaming, or I'm sorry, stitching on the pockets, and then the bell cut, boot cut. All right, so let's try these on and I can talk about them, and I'll show you this one and what I'll do. So obviously there's 4 items here. This is number 5 and the pants are number 6. So I'll show you these. I have pictures of my other Armoire things. I may be able to just do a video of the various pictures. I hope you will follow me on this entire adventure. Hi, I'm here with the Armoire rental for this time, and I have this beautiful Lily Pulitzer button down, and the pink is amazing. It's not hot pink or overwhelming, and it's not pale pink. It's just this gorgeous bright pink that is great for the spring. It has eyelet, if you look at the material. So it has the eyelet, but it's not see-through. I do have on a pink bra, but I think you could wear any color. I mean, like a nude or a white. And I also, it's kind of warm, even though it has the little eyelet hole. So it's pretty amazing blouse. And I have worn it both tied like this and then also out. So I will show you with it out as well. It has elastic wristbands, and so you can push it up and it'll stay up. I kind of like that too, because it does get warm, believe it or not. Even though it has the little holes in it, it gets pretty warm. And then these jeans are also, they're Paige jeans, which I love Paige jeans, and typically I am a solid 30 in Paige. What I always love about Paige jeans is they fit me in the hips and then still fit me in the waist, which is difficult because I have an hourglass figure. So I definitely go in at the waist and then back out at the hip. So I appreciate Paige jeans for that. However, they sent me a note right before they sent this shipment out, and they said that they didn't have my size and they were sending a 31. So I thought, well, 31 will never fit me. It does, which is a little disturbing. Maybe this particular style runs small. So let's look at the jeans and the blouse. So the blouse, as I said, is Lily Pulitzer, button down, size medium. It is regularly $158. I could get it for $92. I like renting, so I don't think I will purchase this, even though it's great. The color's great, the fit's great, the feel of it is great, but I want to keep renting new things, so I don't think I am going to purchase it. Paige straight jeans in white, size 31. Regularly, they retail for $215, and I could get them for $150, which would be 30% off. I'll show you the back. So I do love these jeans and this top, but I'm still renting, so let's move on. I'll show you this with the top out and buttoned up. I am back with this pink Lily Pulitzer blouse, button-down blouse, untucked. And if you're thinking her makeup and jewelry looks different than it did on the previous video with the Lily Pulitzer top, it's because I forgot to record it. I forgot that I said I would come back and show you this blouse untucked. So here I am showing you this blouse untucked on a different day. It's amazing the things you find when you are editing. So anyway, I have promised it, and here it is. I'll stick it in behind the other Lily Pulitzer blouse video. I'm back with the next item from my Armoire rental this time, and it is the pants. These are supposed to be pink. My only issue with them is they're not white and they're not really pink. They're just so light, you know, that they don't look pink. So I really have not worn them. I think they fit okay. I don't think they're anything exciting, but I probably, I'm going to send them back, and I'm getting a new shipment soon. But these are Nick and Zoe boot cut, size 30. They were retail for $158, and I could get them for $126 with 20% off. So it was one that I just didn't feel inspired to wear. This top, if you'll watch my, trying to think where this came from Mod Luxe. I've tried out the Mod Luxe rental as well, and I am half tempted to purchase this. I am back with another item from the Armoire rental this time, and this is a Lily Pulitzer yellow tank, and I love the ruffle detail, so feminine. It goes around in the back as well, and the color is a beautiful yellow, as Lily Pulitzer's colors are always gorgeous and spring and summery. And this is, let's see, it is size medium. It would retail for $78. I could get it for $66. And of course, I think, you know, since I'm going to keep renting, I'm not going to purchase it, but I do really enjoyed wearing it, and I will probably rent it again if I get an occasion. Have this belt on again to bring out the yellow and the spring colors. These jeans I got from my last Wantable box. I typically have been purchasing at least one thing out of each of the edits, fashion edits, and this time I just fell in love with these jeans. So I'll talk about that in my Wantable box. How fun is this outfit? I just loved it. Had a blast with it. So it's got little slits here, and then the matching tie top. These pants are XIX palms and palazzo pants. Got little button details here and darts. They're very figure flattering. Has elastic in the back, and I had so much fun. So we went to the golf course. There was a dance, outdoor dance, and I wore this with this hat. It was so much fun. It's one of these outfits, though, that you would not want to wear more than once, or at least around the same people. So as cute as it is, I did not purchase the pants. However, I did end up purchasing the top, because I think I can dress it down with blue jeans, dress it up with the skirt. With the as far as the top's concerned, I did have to wear a bandeau top, so it just was a little bit too much cleavage for me. Anyway, so much fun in this outfit. And let me tell you about it. It's XIX palms, and the pants are the palazzo pants. Should I have wanted to keep those, they're regularly $105, and I could have gotten them for $54. But again, I don't think you can wear these too many times. And the top, once you purchase, it kind of goes off of that site, but I think they were around 88 and I got the top for 66. So very much fun with this one.